Okay, welcome to this AGS tutorial on how to set up custom weapons. This has been asked for by a couple of buyers, here we go. This will be a series, and in the first one I'm going to set up a melee weapon for this badass knight here. To begin with, I have downloaded a couple of free assets, starting from the bottom, the skeleton pack, the runic axe, which the guy is wielding, the overlord, which is the guy here, the knight dude. We have animations from Mixamo in the melee axe pack, and we have some custom models which we will be running on. To speed things up, I have preset this scene with some stuff. I haven't made anything new. I will obviously be going through that, but just a quick overview. We have the castle view, castle walls, nothing interesting there. We have the AGS game manager. We have a game level script, and since this is going to be based on the 2.5 platformer template, I have added the Space Ninja game level script. We have enemies and ragdolls containers, we have camera target script, we have the 2.5 platformer camera from again from the Space Ninja game. I have deleted all of the effects on the camera, so it won't be a slow gameplay for this video. And then we have the player. I have started out from the Ninja Tune player prefab. Then I switched out the Ninja Tune for the Overlord. I renamed this to the Overlord player. I'll be creating a prefab right away. There we go. For this player I have deleted almost everything. We have two movement skills only, horizontal movement and vertical movement. We have only movement, jumping and attacking for this tutorial. We have one moveset. We will just switch the unarmed skills for our new skills. So we'll be starting out not exactly from new, but we will be modifying the unarmed moveset. And then obviously we have the Overlord guy. He now has two animation scripts, movement animations and combat skill animations. And yeah, he's holding the runic axe, as you can see, and this runic axe has a melee weapon view script on it. We have not created the axe combat moveset type yet, so we'll need to change this later. It has a hit volume on the blade for our attacks. You can obviously have multiple hit volumes, but for the sake of this tutorial we'll only use blade attacks. So what else? No, I think we're good. So let's start out by creating our axe, two-handed axe combat moveset type, and to add that we need to open up our enum script or script file and simply add what we want here. We want a two-handed axe, and that's about all the coding we need for this tutorial. So we go back to Unity and let it compile. once it finished, we can change this to 200 AGS, like so, and then we go to the player script and reference this new weapon here. I actually already did that, but you need to add the runic axe to the player's weapons. Okay, so we go now to combat movesets. Let's rename this to two-handed axe, and we change the combat moveset type to 200 axe. And let's see, we're going to do a 2-hit combo. With a hack and slash attack, follow-up slash. So we'll also be doing a jumping attack. I want to show you how to do that also, but we can delete all that. Then we start out with a hack attack, like so. And we need to change this because it's a much slower attacks than the ninja characters, so let's say 0.5 seconds firing, 0.75, no, I mean 0.75 firing, and I don't know, 1 second perhaps, and combo chain timer 1.25. Okay, let's try that. And we can get rid of the resource costs. We only need a damage effect for each of these. Let me just delete it. Then we need to set new values for the, what did you call it? Yeah, slash. Of course, slash attack, which is a follow-up. No, it's for this. This is a combo finisher. It's a starter and a finisher if we're doing only 2. So this can be 0 and 0.5. I don't know, 0.25, 0.75, something like that. It's a one-shot, attack type primary, hit volume index is first, but what was it on the head was first. Yeah, we're good. And then we have, I don't know, jumping attack. Jumping attack, and this doesn't charge. This shouldn't have a long charge up time. Recharging, pretty long, I guess. 1 second, but long firing 2 seconds. Okay, attack type primary, one shot, combo finisher, and this is a jumping attack, so we set this to AB1 and hit volume index is first. Cool. Now we can actually do this. I can show you. Now we should be able to start the hack effect, the hack skill. And you can see the state machine is firing. But obviously we're not doing any animations at all yet, so we still need to do that. So where's the overlord? Here he is. Yeah, we don't even have an animator yet. So we're going to duplicate the player controller from the Ninja Play controller. Player controller, there we have it. There. Let's duplicate this and call it overlord controller. this to the tutorials folder. There we go, and then we set remote controller to our player character. There we go, and then we have a lot of cleaning up to do. We're not throwing anything. We're not doing any unarmed attacks. Oh, maybe we should have started out from scratch. We're not doing special movements either. We're not combo jumping, obviously. We're not rolling. We're not wall jumping. Did I uncheck that? Yeah, I did. Okay. So, yeah, let's create a new layer. Two-handed axe. Weight to 1. Blending mode override. We're not using IK for this. We create first an empty state. So when we are not attacking, we're playing the base layer animations. And then we need to add our attack animations from the Mixamo melee axe pack. We're going to do this backhand attack will be our hack. Yeah, it doesn't have an exit time, so we need to add a lot of what the hell? Why can't I change this vertical movements? What's happening? Did I add it completely on the wrong animator? Oh, yeah. So maybe I can copy this. Delete. Sorry, guys. It was completely wrong. Overload. Here we are. How did that happen? Okay. Layer two-handed axe. Weight to 1 and nothing else. Can we paste here? No. But that's okay. Empty state. Empty for OM animations, and then we have the backhand attack, which will be our hack. It doesn't have an exit time, but it does have a lot of conditions. So here we go. We need combat combos executed to be equal to 0. We need combat moveset equal to our new enum int, which is 5. And we need combat position to be standing, and that means position 0. What else? Combat should be enabled, obviously, and finally primary attack trigger. Yeah, and then with the follow-up attack is the 360 high melee attack, and we basically need a lot of much the same, except that not jump combos. Combat combos executed should be 1, and the rest should be the same as for the combo starter combat moveset equals to 5. Combat position equals to 0. And combat enabled and primary attack. And that one transitions back automatically, I guess. I think we need to tweak these values later. But anyway, let's add the jumping attack also. It should be called something like melee round jump attack. And this is a lot of same conditions. Equals to 0. Combat move set equals to 5. Combat position, this should be airborne, and that equals to 1. Combat enabled, and also primary attack. And this one transitions back automatically also. So yeah, let's just try it out and see what happens. I don't know what happened to. You see swinging there. I don't know what happened to the camera. Let me just check that and get right back. Okay, we're back. There was some Unity bug. I just restarted the program and it works now. I haven't changed anything. So here we go. Hack attack and slash attack. And let's continue from here. I think we're going to change the normal animations also, so it looks a bit better. So on the Overlord guy, movement skills, idle walk, the blend tree there, we're going to change these unarmed fighting pose to something more appropriate. Standing idle from the melee axe-pack animations, and standing walk forward in place, standing walk forward in place, and there should be a run forward in place there, standing run forward in place. So let's see if it looks more like an axe-wielding warrior. Yep. That's our combo. And we have the jumping attack. No jumping attack. Okay, so something is wrong. Let's debug this, or rather just check. I think it's probably just something we missed on the setup. For airball, oh yeah, sorry, combo finisher. It's obviously not a combo, it's a single hit skill. Is everything else alright? Primary, let's just try. Oh yeah, we need to shorten this animation because he's running and then attacking. So back to the Overlord guy. There, standing melee, jump attack. Yeah. We should start from. Yeah, that looks good, I think. And then we need to transition back after, let's see, let's start transitioning back around here, and for some time, let's see, attack, and probably a bit longer, something like that. Let's check it out. Oh, seriously, there's something wrong with Unity. We can attack to not get into this Unity bug. We're just going to, how do we do this? We just change the game camera a bit so we can see what we're doing. Where is it? Yeah, we just change it a bit. I'm not sure if this will work. No, it won't. So we change the offset on the follow target script instead. Yeah, now we can see what we're doing. You can see the camera script is not following. It's something wrong with Unity, because if I restart the program it works again. But anyway, yeah, that's a cool looking jumping attack. And we have our main combo, and we can fly jump attack. I think that's it for this tutorial. We're going to continue with this scene. In the next tutorial I'm going to give this knight, I hope I can find a crossbow. That would be cool, to set up a ranged attack. Otherwise there will probably be a free bow and arrow as a story. But we'll see about that. And after that tutorial, we're going to do a dual wielding tutorial. Maybe dual swords or something like that. Yeah, that's it for now. If there's any problems, just email me, and I will try to help you as best as I can. Thank you guys, bye bye.